Hello, welcome back to my channel. Now I am doing 8th class maths, comparing quantities using proportion. In that example 13 I have done. Now let me see example 14. Example 14 is what amount is to be repaid? What amount is to be repaid? It goes on like this. Let me read the sum. What amount to be repaid on a loan of rupees 12,000 for 1.5 years at 10% per annum interest if interest is compounded half yearly? So, in this, principal P is how much? 12,000. Principal is 12,000. You have got. And then, what else they said? Uh, rate. Rate is given as 10% and time n is given as 1.5 year, and they said that it is compounded half yearly. If it is compounded half yearly, this n 1.5 year means 2 ones are 2, 3 by 2 years. So in this case what you have to do, r will be is nothing but 10 by 2, that is 5%. R is 5%. N is equal to 3 by 2, and it is, what is that they are saying? Compounded half yearly. Half yearly means what, children? N becomes double time, because in 1 year 2 times they are observing, they are taking the interest. So 2 times means this should be multiplied by 2. So 3. N is equal to 3. So what is they are asking? Find the what is the amount to be repaid. They are asking to find out amount. So we know that A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of N. So what is P? 12,000 rupees into 1 plus what is rate? 5 by 100 whole cube. That means 5 ones are 5 20s are 12,000 into, you can take LCM 20 here, 20 plus 1 whole cube. That means 12,000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 zeros can be cancelled. 2 ones are 2 6 are 2 ones are 2 3s are. So let us multiply this. 21 into 21. This is 21. 2 ones are 2 2s are 4. So 144. These two I have multiplied. Now I should multiply it by 21. So 144. 2 ones are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. So 1 6 12 9. 9 2 6 1 I have got. This I should multiply by 3. So how much I am getting? 3 ones are 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 2s are 6 1 7. 3 9s are 27. So I am getting 27783 divided by 2. So when I get it like this, so let me simplify. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, and then 2 5s are 10. So amount is equal to rupees 13891.50. This is the answer of this problem, children. Please note it down. Example 14. Now, let us see the next part. That is example 15. Oh, example 14. It continues, children. They have asked compound interest, they are asking. So, what is interest, children? Interest means amount minus P. So, what is the amount we have got? 13891.50. From this, what is the principal? 12,000. So, if you subtract it, 13891.50 minus 12,000, if you do 0.51981, so 1891.50. So therefore the question is compound, what is the amount, and also if interest is compounded, what is the interest? Compound interest is equal to rupees 1891.50. So amount you have to find out, and also you have to find out interest also for 14th problem. So this ends the 14th problem, children. Please note it down. Now we will see the next one, that is 15th sum, example 15. Example 15, it is Yadaya for his family. It goes on like this. Let me see. Yadaya for his family needs borrowed 5,120 rupees at 12.5% per annum compounded annually. How much amount he has to pay to clear the debt at the end of 2 years, 9 months? Also find how much interest he has to pay. He has paid. So let us see what is given to us here. See, the principal P is rupees 5,120, and what is rate they have given? 12.1/2%. So 12.1/2% means 25/2%. 12 to the 24, 25/2. So 25/2, you can even simplify it. 25/2 by 100, that is nothing but 25/2 into 100. So 25 ones are 25 fours are, so 1 by 8. So R can be taken as 1 by 8. Percentage already I have done, children. You need not worry about the 100. And then next, what they have asked, what is N they have given? N is equal to 2 years 9 months. 2 years 9 months. So here the main problem is, for 2 years you can go for compound interest, but for 9 months you have to go for simple interest. So for this you have to convert 9 months into years. So 9 months is nothing but 9 by 12 years. Why? Because 12 months means 1 year. 1 year. So what is 9 months? Is how much? So 9 into 9 by 12 you will be getting. 3 3s are 3 4s are. So it is 3 by 4 years. So for this part, you have to go for simple interest. But careful, children, when you are taking n as 2 and you are doing, whatever amount that you are getting, that should be converted as the principal for 9 months simple interest calculation. So let us see this. So first we need to calculate amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. P is how much? 5,120 into 1 plus C. I have calculated R by 100 value. Percentage is there, no? That means I have calculated R by 100 is 1 by 8. R by 100 I can say. R by 100 is 1 by 8. So instead of R by 100, I'll take 1 by 8 whole raised to the power of 2. Why did I say so, children? If in this case, if you have got a normal integral number, then directly R by 100 I used to write. But here you have got a fraction. So you can simplify this fraction. So here itself, I have simplified the fraction. 25 by 2 by 100. R percentage, so percentage I have converted into R. So R by 100 in the formula should be taken as only 1 by 2. In the problem, R by 100 because, sorry, 1 by 8. R by R becomes 1 by 8. So I am getting it here 5120 into 8. Here 8 plus 1 whole square. So 5120 into 9 by 8 into 9 by 8. So when I do it, 8 table, 8 4s are 8 6 are 48, 3, 8 4s are 32, 0. So here this 8 8s are and 0, 80. So 9 9s are 81 into 80. So how much I am getting? 8, 8 8s are 64. So 6480 is the amount. Now this amount becomes principal for simple interest. So I have calculated it basing on compound interest. Basing on compound interest formula, I have calculated. Now I have to go for simple interest. Why should I go for simple interest, children? Because they have given 9 months extra. So that I should convert it into in the simple, because uh, compound interest can be calculated only after completion of 1 year. But 9 months means year is not completed. So you cannot calculate it under compound interest. So you have to go for simple interest. So when you go for simple interest, P becomes this 6480 and R, capital R, again 25 by 2. Then time, 9 months means 3 by 4. So simple interest, we need what, children? They have asked you to find out what is first amount. Let us find out the simple interest in this. PTR by 100. I is equal to PTR by 100. By using this formula, you need to find out 6480 into time is 3 by 4 into rate is 25 by 2 by 100 means into 1 by 100. You can even take 1 by 8 instead of taking all this. Anyway, you can get it. 25 ones are 25 fours are. Again, 4 ones are 4 6 are 4 twos are 0. 2 8s are 2 1s are 0. Okay, so now you can get it as 8 10 into 3 0, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24 by 4. So how much are you getting it, children? 4 6 are 24 0, and then 4 sevens are 28, 2 4 fives are 20, 0. So 607 rupees 50 paisa is the value I you have got. So when you have got I, you need to find out interest. So if you please copy this, I'll be doing it here, children. There is no place. So let me, I hope you have copied this problem, this bit. Now interest, I you have got as 607 point, I you have got it as rupees 607.50. So amount, what you need to do, amount is equal to principal plus interest. What is principal? 6480 plus 607.50. So 6480 607.50. So when you are adding 0 here, 5 here, 7, 8, 10, 7. So it is 7087.50 is the amount. So the question is, what is the total interest? What is the question, children? What is the total interest that he has to pay or he has paid? So what is the compound interest paid? What is the compound interest paid? It is nothing but amount minus uh, principal. So what is the amount that you have got? 70. This is the amount 87.50 minus what is the principal in the problem? The principal is 5120 rupees. So 7087.50 minus 5120. So you have got 0, 5, 7, 6 and 9, 1. 9 rupees 1967.50. This is the interest that he has paid. See children how dangerous it is. He has taken only 5120. At last after 2 years 9 months, how much he has paid? 7800 7087 rupees 50 paisa. That means he has paid more, much more than what he has taken. How much more he has paid? 1967 rupees 50 paisa. That is why compound interest is very, very dangerous, children. So please note it down. This is 15th sum. Now let me see the next one. Example 16. It is coming under application of compound interest formula. The population of a village. The population of a village means, with your knowledge of compound interest, how can you utilize in your calculations for some other activities they have given? Example 16. The population of a village is 6250. It is found that the rate of increase in the population is 8% per annum. Find the population after 2 years. So here also the population should be taken as principal. How much is the population? 6250. And the rate of increase, R is equal to 8%, and time that is taken, N, is equal to 2. So you need to find out what is the population after 2 years. So definitely you need to go for compound interest formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. 6250 into 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square. So you can write it as 6250 into 100 if you take 100 plus 8 whole square. That means 6250 into 108 by 100 into 108 by 100. You can even take it as children 6250 into 1.08 into 1.08 because of 100 here. So let us calculate. Now this, let us multiply. This is 1.08, 1.08. First we will multiply. 1.08. 8 8s are 64. 8 1s are 8. 0 0 0. 1 8s are 0 1. So when you calculate 4 6 16 1 1. So 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1.61 1.1664. This should be multiplied with 6250. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 5 fours are 20. 5 6 are 32. 32. 5 6 are 33. 33. 5 ones are 5 3 8. 5 ones are 5. 2 fours are 8. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 1 13. 2 ones are 2 1 3. 2 ones are 2. 6 fours are 24, 6 6 are 36, 38, 6 6 are 36 3, 39, 6 1 are 6 3 9, 6 1 are 6. So 0, 0, 10, 5 4 9, 10, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 9, 10, 11, 4, 11 4, 15. This is 5 5 10 19, you can say, and 9 10 12 7. So here 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So how much you have got? 7290. So this is 7290. What is the question, children? Find the population after. So therefore population after 2 years is equal to 7290 is the answer. Please note it down, children. We will see example 17. What is this example 17? A rubber ball is dropped. It goes on like this. Let me read. A rubber ball is dropped from a certain height. From some height, they have dropped a rubber ball. It is found to rebound only 90% of its previous height. What do you mean by this, children? When you just drop a rubber ball, it goes down, it hits the floor, and it comes back. So when it is coming back, it is not coming to that same height. Suppose I am dropping the ball from here down. It has come down. This was my original position. After coming down, when it is bouncing back, it is coming up to here only. Again it goes down, again it goes little bit down, like that. So this kind of bumping process is going on here. A rubber ball is dropped from a certain height. It is found to rebounds only 90% of its previous height. If it is dropped from the top of 25 meters tall building, to what height would it raise after bouncing the ground 2 times? So if you have a small figure, this is a ball. Let us talk, this is a ground. The ball has come to the ground and it got bounced back. When it has got bounced back, it has come to some level, that is, we can say that this is 90%. When you consider this is 100%, this whole height is 100%, it has come to 90%. Again from here it comes down, again goes to 90% of it, 90% of this, little bit up to this, again it will come down, again it will go up, like that it happens. The problem is saying this here, if it is dropped from the top of 25 meters tall building, so here the building height is 25 meters. and it has bounced 2 times. Then what is the height that it has reached? In this case, when you are using these problems are all basing on our compound interest formula. So principal becomes a 25, p value becomes 25. Now the rate means which percentage? See children, every time there is a reduction of 10. See, earlier it was 90, 100 has become 90. That means rate is minus 10. It is reducing 10% every time. And time is given as 2 bounces. They said 2 times it has gone like this. So what is amount A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. That is 25 into 1 plus minus 10 by 100 whole square. So this and this 0 will get cancelled. That is 25 into 1 plus into minus minus 1 by 10 whole square. So let us continue. This is 25 into LCM 10 here, 10 minus 1 whole square. That is 25 into 9 by 10 whole square. That is 25 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. So 5 5s are 5 2s are 5 1s are 5 2s are. So 9 9s are 81 by 4. 81 by 4 means 4 2s are 8, 0.4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. So 20.25. So the height reached. The question here is what? Height to which it raises. So the height raised. The height raised after 2 bounces is equal to 20.25 meters. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. Now, exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3. First problem. Sudhakar borrows rupees 15,000. Rupees 15,000. It goes on. Let me read. Sudhakar borrows rupees 15,000 from a bank to renovate his house. Means to do some repairs and to make it little more attractive. He borrows the money at 9% per annum. The rate is 9% per annum, simple interest. Over 8 years. For 8 years he has taken. What are his monthly repayments? How much he has to pay every month? How much he has to pay every month means for 8 years, what is the amount he has to pay? First we have to find out. Afterwards, we can go for every month payment. So let us see how we have to do. Now, principal here is rupees 15,000 and time given is 8 years and rate is given as how much is the rate? 9%. Rate is 9%. So you have to find out amount for simple interest because he has taken simple interest. Simple interest amount A is equal to P into 1 plus TR by 100. I told you earlier also this formula. So 15,000 into 1 plus 8 into 9 by 100. So 4 2s are 4 25s are. So you will be getting 15,000 into 1 plus 18 by 25. So let us continue. This is equal to 15,000 into LCM is 25, 25 plus 80. That is 15,000 into 8, 13, 4, 43 by 25 you are getting. So how much are you getting here? 5 5s are 5 3s are 1 2 3. Again 5 6 are 0 0. So it is 600 into 43. That means 0 0. 3 6 are 18. 3 4s are 24. 1 25. So 25,800 is the amount. Amount is equal to rupees 25,800. See, when he has taken 15,000 for 8 years, he is getting 25,800. If it is simple interest. Now the question is what? In this 8 years, he will have to pay monthly little bit amount. So how much he has to pay this? Every month. Every month means time is 8 years, no children. Time is equal to 8 years. So how many number of months he will be getting to pay? Number of months is 8 years into 12 because 1 year contains 12 months. 8 year in 8 into 12. So what you have to do? This total amount that person has to pay, that is 25,800, should be calculated for 8 years so that how much he has to pay every month. So monthly payment, how much he has to, the question is how much monthly repayment. Monthly repayment. How will you get monthly repayment? Total amount, that is 25,800, should be divided by 8 into 12. 25,800 is the amount for 8 years. 8 years into 12. Why? 1 year means 12 months. 8 years each month they are saying. So total 8 years should be converted into month. So 8 into 12. I am not multiplying here because cancellation will be easy if you have smaller numbers. So I kept it like this. So now let us see here. 2 4s are, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 0 0 with the 2. Now this is with the 3 table, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 0 0. So again 2 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0. So again 2 1s are 0, 2 7s are 2 5s are. So how much are you getting? 1075 by 4 means 4 2s are 8 and 2 you are getting. 4 6 are 24, 3. 4 8s are 32. 32 means again 3 you will be getting. 4 7s are 28, 2 4 5s are 20. So if you have any doubt, a rough work also I will be doing it here, children, for your understanding. 4 2s are 8. You'll be getting 2 7. Again 4 6 are 24. 3 and 5. 4 8s are 32. 3 keep a point. 0. 4 7s are 28. Then 2 0. 4 5s are 20. If I write this 2 0 here, if you cannot see, 4 5s are 20, 0. So 268.75. So the answer is rupees 268.75 is the answer, children. This monthly income he has to pay every monthly repayment is 268 rupees 75 paisa. This is first problem of exercise 5.3. So the second problem is a TV was bought at a price of, let me read the sum. A TV was bought at a price of 21,000 rupees. After 1 year, the value of TV was depreciated by 5%. Means it got reduced. Depreciated means reduction of the value due to use and age of the item. Our use or age, its value got reduced to 5%. Find the value of TV after 1 year. So, what is the cost of TV? Cost of TV is rupees 21,000. So, after 1 year, its cost is equal to its original cost minus 5% of original cost. 5% of original cost it got reduced. So let us first find out what is 5% of 21,000. That is 5 by 100 into 21,000. So two zeros will get cancelled. 5 zeros are 5 ones are 5 twos are 1050. So this is what is the problem says. After 1 year, the value of TV. So the value of TV, after 1 year is equal to 21,000 minus 1050. 21,000 minus 1050. 0 here, 5 here, 9 here, and again 10 minus 1, 9 here, 1 here. So 19,950 is the answer, children. Please note it down. This is second sum. Third problem, children. Find the amount and compound interest. Find the amount and compound interest. Let me read this. Find the amount and the compound interest of rupees 8,000 at 5% per annum for 2 years compounded annually. So they have given principal as 8,000. P is rupees 8,000 and R is given as 5% and N is equal to 2 years. So it is compounded annually. Compounded annually. Therefore, amount you will be getting as P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. That is 8,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 whole square. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So, I will take this as 8,000 into LCM is 20, 20 plus 1 whole square, that is 8,000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. So 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. 2 4s are 0, 2 2s are 0. So 21 into 21, this is 21, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, we'll be getting 441. It should be multiplied by 20. So 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8. So this is 8820. Therefore, amount A is equal to rupees 8,820. Now we want compound interest. They are asking amount as well as compound interest. Is nothing but amount minus P. That is 8,820 minus P is 8,000. So you will be getting 820 rupees. 820. This is one answer and this is another answer. And now amount, and then you have got interest, compound interest. Both the values I have done, children. Please copy it. This is third problem. With this, I am going to end today's class. Next part I will be doing in the next class.